I'm Ankit Bansal, and welcome back to the channel. This is agent number 7, an email and retention agent in Node.js. It predicts churn and writes the win-back email for each segment in your brand voice, running on a local model with no API keys. Here's how it works. The browser sends a segment to an express agent. It reads the segment's behavior and your brand voice. Then one local LLM call assesses churn risk, picks the right lifecycle flow, and writes the full email, subject, preview, and body as clean JSON. Here's the retention agent. Pick a customer segment. These are lapsing VIPs, high churn risk, so it picks a win-back flow and writes the whole email, subject, preview, and body in your brand voice. A different segment gets a completely different email. Here, cart recovery. The agent matches the flow to the behavior every time. So that's a real retention agent. A churn read, the right flow, and a ready-to-send email per segment, fully local, no API keys. The code is in the description. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned, because in the next video we'll build the next agent on the list. See you there.